I'm shooting with the GoPro Hero 10 Black. If it was a Hero 13 Black, I'd be using the DJI Mic 2. I hear rumors, and these rumors are just unbelievable, man. People think the Action 5 Pro is not a great camera, and they're comparing apples and oranges, oranges and apples, apples to apples, oranges to oranges, whatever you want to compare it to. I got both cameras here. I don't like both of them for certain reasons. It don't matter how fast the quick start starts on the Action 5 Pro or the GoPro Hero 10. By the time I hit start and bring the camera up, I'm ready to go. The one thing we all don't like, I don't like, but some people like, are the lens flare. And man, I released my video a day early, so this way you get to see it. But the other two, they're going to be scheduled, and people don't like to hear schedule. So I got both cameras set up to 4K 60 frames per second. Yeah! And I'm not ready to compare it. I'll make a note when I'm comparing it, because on the camera you got the K&F lens filter. Now we're gonna see how it looks compared to the GoPro. I don't love flares anymore. When the sun's shining in your eyes, that's when the camera don't work, and the DJI is on standby until I could get a shot for you. You know, you can't please them all. I'm just gonna please myself, and off I go. I like to do what's best for me and help you out with the things I know and share to you. I'm gonna see if the horse is out today. Maybe Mr. Pig is out as well. Mr. Goat is out, and he's got his coat on. Look at him. He's really waiting for things. Mr. Goat, how are you doing? I bet you Mr. Goat would have his reindeer horns on for the holidays. Remember this car? Yes, indeed. Nice classic. I had to go. The dog told me get out of here. And here I am, riding along, getting ready to compare. All decked out for the holidays. All right, here I am by my famous spot, my favorite spot that is. I don't want to make it popular for you to come down and take it over. I like the GoPro for letting me know exactly which file I'm on next. I have both cameras here, shooting with the K&F filter on the Action 6 Pro and just the GoPro itself. They're both on the same color profile. Did you get it? The same resolution and their color profile. I'm going to slowly pan around. This way I'm not in the sun, and you can get an idea of how I look when the sun hits me. So now you got an idea which camera looks good. The only thing I need to do is turn them both around and get comparison shots facing the sun without me being in the shot. Do I have flares with the GoPro? Maybe little red dots. Do I have flares with the DJI? Still probably do. If you look straight ahead, not at the flag, but at the Freedom Tower in the great distance, you're not going to see it. But the willow tree and the shot with the sun being at 8 o'clock position, it gives you a gorgeous shot indeed. The sun is at 10 o'clock and I got the camera facing down just a little bit on an angle, 10 degrees. Now I'm tilting it up 90 degrees. They're both on horizon balance or linear. And that is what we do with the camera. So as I rotate a little, so the sun could be 10 o'clock, versus 9 o'clock about. As I pan from the ground, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and the sun is at a 2 o'clock position about. I'm 90 degrees from the floor, giving you a beautiful shot. As I start to walk, maybe the flare will come to the camera or not from the angle. I apologize if I trip over the sticks and whatnot, but you get an idea what it looks like. I rode in some. I don't like riding in with this bike on the sand, but you get an idea what it looks like as I pan around. And now the sun will come from the 2 o'clock position right about now. And there you have it. I'm getting ready to get back to the GoPro Hero 10. I enjoy using cameras. I do. But some people don't enjoy cameras. And they have to bigger about their product that they got. Either they love it or they hate it. I figure I get out on this another beautiful day before this chilly willy weather comes in. So let me get on out of here and go have some fun. Take. I figure I put the action camera on the handlebars. I figure I'll ride like this and capture some shots like so. Have you ever seen a camera on the bike all over? One for the front, one for the back, one for the left leg, the right leg, the shot up in the air, the shot down. You probably got 25 cameras on the bike and you're pedaling. You're trying to edit all those videos in one. I think I did what I had to do for the year. And I'm happy what I did and what I shared and what I showed. Because I'm going to continue on the year after. And on that note, you know who I am. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. People get burnt when they buy a camera and it fails not to work their way. So here I am with both cameras, a little side by side on a nice, calm day. I figure I'll continue on to get some shots. And I showed just with the Action 5 Pro in the car. This way you can get the nice light shining off of the camera with the sun off the water and directly ahead of you. We'll slowly pan away from the sun, and then you get the idea of why K&F filter works. Are you happy with your GoPro? Are you happy with your DJI? Because some people are not happy with DJI's new color and chip. Some are, some are not. If you look down in the water, does it give you a different look? I don't know if the reflection's gonna hurt you, but what I see is a nice shot indeed. A nice beautiful shot, a nice beautiful day. The best way I can show you a video. So here I am. Did the best I could do with the smallest platform I could have on the camera. I'm in a distance where anything more than 2 feet is harder to hear. I got the pigeons that just flew by, and I got the geese in the distance that are quacking, and I got the traffic behind me that's going to talk louder than me. I hope you enjoy the shots I shared with you. I think I'm gonna silence the GoPro beeping. I wish they update the tune of that to be like DJI. Otherwise, I keep it silent or low.